Good day, everyone. Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is August 25th, 2023. Here's another weekly analysis. And last week, we had uptick for the weekly candle. Here's the weekly chart for S&P 500. And we just closed above 4,400, just a touch above it. So it's 44.03. So all in all, market just had a very, very volatile week. If you just saw the price action for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we had a pretty good upside on Wednesday, but pretty sharp sell-off on Thursday, and then today just market carved out a bit and just getting to above 4,400. So all in all, I'm just looking for kind of like a consolidation or kind of like very, very minimal updates for the market. I should just say here, based on this price action, we just rejected from this top. So I just want to say this area could be kind of like intermediate top for now. This is very, very important top. So we just caught this one. And I'm just looking for kind of like, again, coming back to this area, somewhere around 44.50, 44.60. And then we should see how market is going to react. If market break out this level, probably we will test double top here. But this is kind of like the less like scenario. I'm just looking for kind of like market rollover from this area. And we are just getting kind of like 2 days, 3 days uptick, consolidation, uptick sideways, and then market rollover to the downside. And we should see more bearish momentum is coming down the road. And the ultimate level that I'm looking for is 41.61 to 42.31. So this is very, very important pivotal point for a market. I should say everyone needs to keep an eye on this level, because when we get here, people are getting on the bearish side. And to be honest, they have right, because if S&P 500 close below 41.76 on a weekly basis, this means this rally is over and we are just getting back to the bear momentum to the downside, and probably lower low is coming all the way by end of this year. But if market just getting to this area and then coming back up and form the basing formation here and form the demand based on this demand area, this demand structure, getting upside move, then we can say the corrective momentum has been finished. So the timing for this is going to be September, October. September, October, I'm looking for the timing for this important bottoming formation. When we get there, you should just see, okay, we are at the September, October time frame. This is the price action, how market is going to react. And we are going to move based on that. Moving on to daily chart. So here's the daily chart. Daily, we got, let me just zoom in here. So we got an oversold condition here, and we got bull reversal coming back up. Nice signal from MACD and also stochastic, RSI wise. We're just getting to this important pivotal point, which every single time when we are getting to this area in RSI daily, we get a bounce. And sure enough, we had this again this week, and we got a couple of times here. Still, based on this pattern, I'm just looking for kind of like a QM pattern. So we can see another probably stretch to the upside. So 44.30 to 44.40, I should say, that's going to be the maximum stretch. And then we can see, we should see this level as like a very, very important decisive moment for a market, because SMA 20 and EMA and all those moving averages that people are just pay attention to. I don't care, to be honest. But when these ones are coming along together here, that's going to be a very massive resistance based on moving average strategy. But based on my strategy, we just break out this area and then going back up, sharp sell off after that. So probably just middle of this wide range bar here, that's going to be the back test. And probably on Monday, Tuesday, we will see uptick, doji bar, and then reversal is coming back down to probably on Wednesday, Thursday. And then we can say sell signal intact. So that's what I'm looking for. And the next level downside move is going to be 42.54 to 4,300. So we will see how it goes with that one. Moving on to Nasdaq. Let me just go to Nasdaq chart. Here is the Nasdaq weekly chart, and as you see here, we are pretty close to oversold conditions. So Nasdaq just reacted to this demand area, but rejection is very, very obvious. So when I see this, I should say we can see probably a bounce from here. So Nasdaq still needs to go down another probably 200, 300. And right now it's at 14,900, actually 400, going down to 14,500. That is a demand area here. So Nasdaq needs to go down, and then probably we'll see a bounce to this area again. Any bounce to here, I should say that's going to be a sell, because based on my cycles again and based on the price action, we should see some kind of like a volatility picked up in October, September this year. And this is the area that I'm looking for, 13,000, 1,700, 13,700 to 13,400. That's the area that I'm looking for, which is coming along with this pivotal point. And also this is a flag limit as well. So I'm just looking for this area as a very, very decisive bottom information here for NASDAQ. So still we will have another 1,000 level downside, and that could happen in next month or so. So we will see how it goes. Moving on to daily chart, and the daily chart just confirmed this, because daily chart we just break down this level, and this is a very, very nice QM pattern. So if you remember, just yesterday we got into, well, 2 days ago I just told you here's the danger zone, and I just put a YouTube video as well. The title is danger zone is here, just be careful. And sure enough, we got into short position, sharp sell-off going down. We just took nice profit out of our trade. Today, we just close all short position, because I'm just looking for kind of like a bounce from the market. And fair enough, we had a bounce, and this bounce can stretch up here to this area, probably 15,000. I should say 200 maximum stretch for this bounce in the middle of this white range bar. And then we can see rollover happening. If rollover happens, that would be kind of like interesting, because if you see this pivotal point and this, then we can see sharp sell-off coming down to here, which is going to fulfill our downside target, intermediate downside target, based on this demand area. And this demand area can, again, market getting back up and then sharp sell-off after that. So it's kind of like the type of price action that I'm looking for. Again, we are not forecasting. That's the analysis that I have, and I just going day by day and week by week to see how market is reacting to these levels. And we just want to be agnostic at the end of the day with the market movement. Moving on to the Dow Jones, another reason that I'm just looking for long position is this. So this is a very, very nice trend line, and we are just seeing lots of higher highs, higher lows, and this is pretty neat and clean. And to be honest, Dow is forming one of the best one. And also it has a nice symmetry as well, I should say. And this goes to this breakout level as well. So all in all, when I just compare different methods together, we are at very, very important, decisive pivotal point for Dow Jones. So this is going to be a pivot, 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 and we have a very, very choppy, nice choppy consolidation in weekly chart. This is a bull flag stretched out to the upside, coming back down to test this pivot. And that's what I'm thinking. Dow Jones can go all the way up to 34,000, actually, to 35,000. Then we can see how it's going to react to this level, because I think this correction is not over yet. So we can see another probably sell-off is coming down. And next sell-off, we shouldn't go below this level, I should say. If it goes below this, so that's going to be, you see, head and shoulder here, and probably we will get stretched down to this area, to 32,000 area as well. But ultimately, I'm looking for Dow Jones, to be honest, new all-time high. Still, I'm looking for new all-time high this year, and probably this October sell-off is going to shake out everyone. Not everyone, I shouldn't say that. Shake out lots of people, traders and investors, out of the market, and probably that's going to be a great buying opportunity. So we will see how it goes. Moving on to individual names, yield just hiking up today. So interestingly, yield went up and market went up as well. TLT treasuries went up as well. So this is nice consolidation here. So you just zoom in here, treasuries right now, it's just consolidating. So consolidation means higher prices coming down the road, and we should just go level by level. But this is a broken trend line here, so probably you're going to back test this gap, getting to this demand area. Let me just clean this. So getting to this demand area, which was previous demand area, and right now it's supply area. So this area I'm talking about, 97, that's going to be the decisive price for treasuries. If it goes above this, any pullback could be a buying opportunity to here, pullback to here. So we'll see how it goes with treasuries, but I think bond yield, when bond yield is up, treasury should go down, but treasury goes up as well. So it seems like market doesn't believe bond yield anymore, and probably Federal Reserve, even if they increase the rate, market doesn't pay attention. Market just goes to some safe haven assets like a gold and also treasuries as well. That's what I'm thinking. So nice consolidation here for gold. Gold is just consolidating, more consolidation, more higher prices coming. And that would be kind of like nice to see after this lower low, we can get back to this high, which is going to be definitely a bullish structure for gold. Crude just nicely surging up, good reaction to this dynamic trend line surging up. And crude, I'm just looking for kind of like a movement to here, and probably we'll see more choppiness down the road before a next surge to the upside to here. So still, we need to see some kind of like this type of price action, probably here with crude as well. So that's the scenario that I'm just looking at. VIX, just a sharp move to the upside, especially after like the last hour of the session. It was pretty down. It was pretty hammered here, but VIX just hiking up pretty nicely. Seems like still fear is in the market, and VIX just forming the bottom. And this forming is kind of like a basing formation for the bottom, and VIX can stretch out to here to the upside. Next move, and market is going down. Dixie, like yield, Dixie is up as well. So Dixie is just challenging this pivotal point. So more consolidation, which is kind of like a surprising. I was totally wrong with this, I should say that. And Dixie can stretch up to 105, 106. Moving on to technology indicator or magma indicator, just a doji bar here. Not a good, not a bad price action, just holding up for now. So as I said, we can see another probably small uptick, then rollover is happening. That's what I'm looking at. Apple, the same. So $2.21 to the upside. Consolidation, probably another move to the upside. 180 to 186. Still, I'm looking for 186 as a very, very good stretch to the upside as a short position. So if Apple goes here to 186, I'm going to short it. So I'm just looking for a good shorting opportunity. Right now, it's not there yet. Amazon, just a nice surge to the upside today, just a bullish harami. Amazon can go to 137. I'm not sure about more than that. This pivotal point is very, very important. Meta, just $1.25 down. Meta just, as I said, this is kind of like a bearish momentum. Stocks are holding for now this fake demand area. So this is going to be a pivot. Stocks, probably Meta can go all the way to here to 300. Again, tackle this. I think it's going to be a sell opportunity for Meta as well. Microsoft, $3 up today. Bullish harami. Still looking for consolidation or move, downside move, for more downside move to here. Sub $300 or even 296, 269 to 276. That's going to be great opportunity for buy. Not yet. So Google, nice, holding up this pivotal point, still holding up this bull flag. This is a nice bull flag in a weekly chart as well. So Google is the best for now in technology words. Netflix, $9.10 up. Tesla, $8.55 up. Tesla, nice bullish consolidation though. So Tesla can have another ABC to the upside. So this is going to be a pop, and this pop can disappoint lots of people. $250, that's going to be the area for short. Probably just a stretch up to 253. We will see how it goes. Semiconductors, they're weak. when the other sectors are kind of like a surging to the upside. Semiconductors, I know that you know my position. I'm kind of like a waiting for another shorting opportunity. I just provide NVIDIA video. Make sure watch that video as well. But semiconductors, I believe this one is in trouble. This sector is in trouble, and SMH as well. So probably search to middle of this wide range bar, 152.50, and then we can see another backtest to here. If it goes here to this pivot, then it can go all the way down to here to 129 to 132. So we will see how it goes. SOX, the same pattern. TSM, 57 cents up. Again, the same pattern. AMD, this one is pretty weak. Remember AMD, we bought here. We just sold lots of, actually all of my positions are sold here. AMD is going back here, down here. So I'm looking for, to be honest, AMD getting back here to this area or this area. So somewhere around 80 to 90, that's going to be a good area for AMD to buy. And right now it is at 102. So AMD can have like another surge, probably to 105, 106, and then downside move is coming down the road. The rocket star here is not anymore, is NVIDIA, because this one is pretty weak. So this is Maribuzu top. I was talking about this candle yesterday, and we got into put option. We just got more than, I don't know, 126, 150, something like that percent in just 2 days. Fantastic option trade for a subscriber. So this one can surge up again to 480. That's going to be the maximum level that I have. And then we can see rollover is happening. And it goes below this pivotal point, it can easily get to sub 400 level. And if it goes below this gap, that would be very, very ugly. And the stock can go all the way down to here. I should say 350 is going to be the first level, but 300 is going to be available after that as well. So we'll see how it goes. Texas Instrument, $2.22 to the upside. Lam Research, $4.34 to the upside. Moving on to the banking sector or financials, XLF, 16 cents. Doji Bar, consolidation. So this one needs to get back. And I think Dow Jones and Russell 2000 can have outperformer for the next week or two. So this one can get back to here to 34, but I'm not sure about that one as well. KBE, which is a large cap bank ETF, 16 cents to downside. Not a bad price action, not a good one, just a doji. I should, well, red candle just after this doji bar. So it needs to have more consolidation to the upside, not a downside. If it goes down here, probably it can go all the way to 36. KRE, 31 cents to the downside. JP Morgan, 18 cents. Bearish consolidation again. It can go down to 144, even 140. Then this wide range bar can save the JP Morgan. Goldman Sachs, this is not good. This is kind of like forming a bearish consolidation just prior this support. So this tells me something that probably will see another spike down to here before the next move to the upside. Bank of America, 12 cents to the downside, bearish consolidation. The same pattern, Wells Fargo, 20 cents to the downside. Again, another bearish consolidation. So not a good price action for banking sector. On the other side, gold miners, they're just finding pivotal point here, GDX, bullish consolidation here. And gold miners can have another spike to the upside. GDXJ, 41 cents, bullish consolidation. Again, AEM, this is a nice bullish consolidation here, 47 cents. This one can hit up to the 50 again. NEM, which is 75 cents to the downside. NEM is not good. So Newmont, I don't like this price action, to be honest. This chart is ugly, and it's very, very disappointed for me because I thought that this one is gonna break out to the upside. I was totally wrong, and I should admit that one as well. So this is not good. Franco-Nevada, $1.17 to the downside. Still working out on this pivotal point. So we should just give it a time. And gold barrick, just 16 cents, 6 cents to the downside. Nothing bad, nothing good. Moving on to the energy sector, 84 cents for XLE uptick today. So not a bad price action though. Needs to have more consolidation for higher price. XOP, oil and gas exploration ETF, $1.86 to the upside. Good price action. Oil is 30 cents down. Exxon, $1.90 up. Chevron, $1.18 up. Oxy, 49 cents up. And Oxy, this wide range bar is tested a lot. So these shadows are beating all the buy orders, but it doesn't have a move to the upside. So this is not good for bulls. This needs to just spike up, and we need to see more bullish price action. When we don't see a bullish price action here, this is kind of like beating all the buying orders here. So this is not good. Greek, 11 cents uptick. Still this one as well. So this one gets to this wide range bar, but it doesn't have like a sharp move to the upside. It needs to have sharp move to the upside. The reason is we have backtest here. So this is very, very slow and it doesn't have move to the upside. So that's why I'm just looking for more downtake to this area for this one to find a final support. $7-ish, that could be the demand area. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel. Have a good one. See you on the chart. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.